Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you've seen from the title, this is a FPV video, but it's not high quality footage or nothing. I wasn't planning on even posting this. I didn't have a GoPro or nothing like that. I was just flying my Tinyhawk Freestyle, my little 2-inch Tinyhawk Freestyle drone, and I was recording with the goggles. So what you guys are gonna watch is just goggle footage. But the main reason I decided to share it is because I was flying so good. So the first flight is going to be in horizon mode. The second flight is in angle mode. I still haven't flown in acro yet, except on the simulator. But I was flying great. I was doing great. I was having a lot of fun. The things were going well. And I was able to do everything I was trying to do. And at one point, I got over the concrete behind me, and I wasn't even that far away. And if you guys are gonna see at the end of the footage, the drone fail-safes. It says fail-safe on the screen. I lose all power, all control, and it says fail-safe, and the drone just does a nosedive from about 40, 50 feet up in the air onto the concrete. And then after that, it wouldn't work again. It won't arm no more now. And I was talking to Cement Kid, and he says I probably messed up either the VTX or the receiver or the flight controller or something. He says if it won't arm, then something's broken. But he also told me that these Tinyhawks are notorious for fail-safe, and so I'm not gonna spend any money to fix it and get it going again, because what's the point? I'll take it out and it'll probably fail-safe again. So I'm just gonna get my other stuff going, and Cement Kid's gonna build me a 2-inch or a 2.5-inch for my 3S batteries, and I'll just use those 3 drones and get my Insta360 going on there once I get better at flying. So that's the plan, guys. I wanted you guys to check out this footage because I was flying really good. I was doing a great job, and I was having a lot of fun too. It was amazing. Even though it was just a Tinyhawk, it was still a lot of fun because I was getting excited because I was able to fly so well. I wish they hadn't a fail-safe, but too late for that. Nothing I can do about it now. Here you go. Check out this footage. Here soon, I'm going to be doing some Insta360 and some GoPro footage on these little drones, so the quality is better. I think I'm finally getting good at flying. I just got to flip that switch to acro like Phantom told me to do, and get good with acro, and then I can do some amazing stuff. Anyway, guys, check out this footage. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments. And if you like FPV stuff or any kind of RC stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. it, guys. If you stuck around this long, thank you. I appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot for people to stick around longer on the videos. I know the footage wasn't too great, but did you see how good I was flying? That was just DVR footage, so it wasn't high quality or nothing. There was a lot of static, but the general point is you can see how good I was flying. I was able to control the drone, make it do what I wanted it to do, hover it. If I started falling, I was able to come back up. And you guys saw at the end, the drone failsafe. That was no mistake of mine. So it crashed, but it wasn't my fault. The drone failsafe, there was nothing I could do. I lost all control and all power, and the drone nosedived. And after I went back and got it and tried to make it work again, it wouldn't work. So the Tinyhawk is done. I'm not spending any more money on the Tinyhawk. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave me a like. Let me know what you think of how I did with the flight down in the comments. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.